Hey, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download unlimited free themes for Blogger website. So, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. First, I'm going on this website. So, this website link I will attach in my video description. You can see here the lots of template you are able to download. It's absolutely for free. You don't spend any single money. So just going here, you can see this is a post t pager ego and miso etc. Here the lots of template are absolutely for free. So just click on, then check each by each. This is a live option. Then if you want to download this theme, just click on here. So you can see this is a download starting here. Wow, this is a zip file you need to unzip and upload on your Blogger website. So you can see this is a website template. Wow, it's a really good and attractive website. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.